Okay, today we are going to, what are we on? Day 6. Awesome. Today we're going to use a couple blocks and we're going to work on quieting that tired but wired feeling. Trying to get your body back into a place where it feels okay to let go and get some good rest. We're going to move today in order to do so. So grab those blocks, get into some comfy clothes that you can move in, and meet me right here on the mat. All right, so starting with hands and knees. You can really use these blocks or not, as you've heard me say before. It all depends on what feels best for your body. But starting your practice, shifting your weight from left to right. So feeling into the left side of your body. What do you notice? What's available to notice? Are your toes still there? Shifting over to the right. Notice how your energy moves, how your body feels, even in trusting the movement as you sway from left to right. What parts of you activate? What parts of you fire up? What parts of you just want to give in? Nice. I'm going to set my blocks aside. I feel a little more steady with my hands down on the mat. Take my right toes to the back of the mat. If you're joining along, you can do so as well. Start to draw up in the low belly and lift your right leg back. Now this tired but wired feeling, it shows up a little bit different for everyone. It could feel like there's some irritation. Anchor your left shin down. It could feel like some irritation. It could feel like, oh, this is really hard. Give yourself permission to simply be here and engage the parts of your body that feel stabilizing. Set that side down, press back to child's pose. Lengthen out, soften the body. Breaking the pattern of feeling like you're pushing or feeling like you have to chronically engage. Come on back up. And keep it simple. Come right to the other side. Left toes back, tuck those toes under, you reach through the heel, feel a little bit of a stretch, then lift up. So your left heel is about hip distance again. Bring the low belly in and up. Tired but wired. So you might even feel a little bit of fight to this practice. Like, I want to do this. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Your tired but wired talks keeps coming back to those survival mode parts of you that want to default to what's the easiest. And if you're in this practice, you're the person that isn't looking for easy. Set that side down, go into child pose. You're looking for what works. You're looking for what brings you peace, what brings you alignment, what helps you navigate your day with the least amount of burnout. Beautiful. Come on back up. This time on the right side, reach through the heel, lift up. So you got your right leg extended again, grounding down into your foundation. Bring your shin into your chest. Out to the side, back and around. In, out to the side. You work in that outer hip there. Down through center. out to the side, and around. Your circles might get bigger. Out to the side, you're breaking up that crunchy tension, that energy from maybe sitting for an extended period of time, maybe even took a car ride, a trip. One more. Out to the side and around. Beautiful. Reach back, child's pose. Moving for clarity, moving for clarity. Giving your body these opportunities. Glide back up to move into a space that feels good to you. Left leg this time. Beautiful, right down center. Lift in and up. To your hold, out to the side and around. In, out to the side and around. So directed energy, in, out to the side, strengthening parts of us that need a little bit of strength or need release. We're going to do one more. Lift that chin up, out to the side and around. Beautiful. Take it back. Child's pose. Now this time, come on up and come around onto your back. A special little treat. Rolling down. Grab that block. Have your block handy for a moment. Simply drop your head side to side. Let your shoulders melt down into the floor. Feel the back of your head connecting. And as you're ready, lift the hips to slide a block or another support underneath. Stay here. Or extend one leg and then the other up into the air. So you've got this little bit of elevation. If we were getting into nervous system language, this is a shape that communicates with the parts of our body that know how to turn off the wired and turn on the release. It's all about knowing how to communicate with yourself, how to connect with yourself, and follow your own internal guidance system. If your legs are all the way up in the air, bend them, releasing one foot at a time down to the floor, slow and steady. Beautiful. Lift up, release your block, and then gently roll onto your favorite side. Slowly come up. Slowly come up. You were just upside down, so let's make sure you have your balance, you have that equilibrium, not a head rush. Sitting calmly. Take note of the release here. Really have this moment to let those things that are working for you sink in. So it'll become easier and easier to keep returning to them. You know, let this newness become the default. Nicely done. Hands together. Thank you so much for joining us. I am Candace, and if you are loving these practices, do your thing. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and jump down into the description for the link on the 60-minute transformational Burnout to Breakthrough. See you next time.